community of Dubai celebrated Vishwa Sindhi Divas on 8th April 2021 at Grand Hyatt, Dubai. On this occasion, India UAE Business Conclave 2021 was organized to promote and develop India as a hub for manufacturing, design, and innovation, and also to bring investments, foster innovation, enhance skill development, protect intellectual property, and build best-in-class production in all segments. In a move to strengthen the trade and bilateral ties between India and UAE, Chandrasekhar Bhatia and Nilesh Jain organized India UAE Business Conclave and Inspiring Leaders Awards 2021. Business tycoons and eminent personalities from both countries took part in the award show. His Highness Sheikh Obaid bin Suhail bin Butti Al Maktoum from the royal family of Dubai, UAE was the guest of honor. Janata Dal United General Secretary, former MP Shri K.C. Tyagi was the chief guest in this event, and special guest was former Union Minister and BCCI Vice President Rajiv Shukla. The list of significant prominent guests included author and senior journalist Dr. Hariom Tyagi, State Secretary International Vash Federation Dr. Sanjeev Bansal, and HE Dr. Bu Abdullah. Prominent invitees from India and Dubai attended this conference. On this occasion, Chief Guest Shri K.C. Tyagi said, "Dubai is a mini India and we have a delightful relation with Dubai UAE." Guest of honor Shri Rajiv Shukla said that the Sindhi community contributes eminently to the growth of Dubai. Business Conclave strives to create business-friendly environment that could propel the much-needed growth in India. The Inspiring Leaders Awards 2021 were bestowed to renowned personalities. Followed by the award ceremony, Dr. Hariom Tyagi's book Hari Prem was launched.